Hook got a DUI? The financial fallout, especially with car insurance, can feel like a life sentence. But what happens if that DUI is from 2026? How does the future impact this past mistake? Stay tuned, because AutoQuotePulse.com is breaking down everything you need to know about car insurance after a DUI in 2026. Intro. Welcome back to AutoQuotePulse.com, your go-to channel for navigating the complex world of auto insurance. Today, we're tackling a tough but crucial topic: car insurance after a DUI, specifically looking at a DUI that occurred in 2026. While we can't predict the exact future, we can analyze trends, regulations, and what's likely to remain constant, helping you understand the potential impact on your premiums, coverage, and options. A DUI is a serious offense with long-lasting consequences, and insurance is one of the biggest headaches. Let's dive into what you can expect. Main content. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of car insurance after a DUI in 2026. First, understand that a DUI, regardless of when it happened, marks you as a high-risk driver. This isn't going to change. Insurers assess risk, and a DUI significantly increases your statistical likelihood of future accidents. So, what does this mean for your premiums? Skyrocketing premiums. Expect your insurance rates to be significantly higher, often 2 to 3 times, or even more, than what you paid before the DUI. This isn't just for a year. The surcharge typically lasts for 3 to 5 years, sometimes even longer, depending on your state and insurer. Even in 2026, this core principle will remain. The exact percentage increase might fluctuate with inflation and market conditions, but the substantial hike is a given. SR22 FR44 requirements. Many states mandate an SR22 form, or FR44 in Florida and Virginia, after a DUI. This isn't insurance itself, but a certificate proving you have the state-required minimum liability coverage. Your insurance company files this on your behalf, and it's a non-negotiable requirement to get your license reinstated. Expect this requirement to be firmly in place in 2026. Not all insurers offer SR22 filings, which narrows down your options. Limited insurance options. Mainstream insurers might drop you or refuse to renew your policy after a DUI. You'll likely need to seek out non-standard or high-risk insurance carriers. These companies specialize in covering drivers with checkered records, but they come at a premium. Don't be surprised if your previous insurer is no longer an option. The look-back period. Most states have a look-back period, which is how long a DUI stays on your driving record for insurance purposes. This can range from 3 to 10 years, and in some states, it's permanent. Even if your DUI was in 2026, if it falls within your state's look-back period, it will impact your rates. Understanding your state's specific laws is crucial. Factors influencing your 2026 rates. Beyond the DUI itself, other factors will still play a role: your age, vehicle type, location, driving history before the DUI, and even your credit score, where allowed by law. A clean record otherwise might mitigate the impact slightly, but the DUI will still be the dominant factor. How to mitigate the costs. Even with a 2026 DUI, shop around aggressively. This is where AutoQuotePulse.com becomes your best friend. Don't settle for the first quote. High-risk insurers vary wildly in price. Comparing multiple quotes is essential. Maintain a clean record. Post-DUI, every single ticket or accident after your DUI will compound the problem. Drive impeccably. Consider a basic policy. Opt for state minimum liability coverage if possible, and forego comprehensive and collision until your rates drop. Just be aware of the risks involved. Take defensive driving courses. Some insurers offer discounts for completing approved defensive driving courses, even for high-risk drivers. Increase deductibles. A higher deductible will lower your premium, but make sure you can afford it if you need to file a claim. Bundle policies. If you have home or renter's insurance, bundling with the same carrier that offers high-risk auto insurance might provide a small discount. Remember, a DUI is a serious wake-up call. While the financial penalties are steep, focusing on safe driving and diligently searching for the best rates can help you navigate this challenging period. The insurance landscape in 2026 will still prioritize risk, and a DUI will always be a major red flag. Call to action. Navigating car insurance after a DUI is tough, but you don't have to do it alone. Visit AutoQuotePulse.com today to compare quotes from multiple high-risk insurance providers, quickly and easily. Let us help you find the best possible rates, even with a DUI on your record. Don't overpay. Get your free quotes now. Outro. So, while a DUI from 2026 will undoubtedly impact your car insurance rates, understanding the factors at play and knowing how to shop smart can make a significant difference. The key is to be proactive, compare options, and commit to safe driving moving forward. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to AutoQuotePulse.com for more essential insurance tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Drive safe, and we'll see you next time.